Updating the apps on an iPad. After viewing this video, you will understand when and how to update apps on an iPad. Okay, updating apps on your iPad is one of the easiest things to do. So let's look at how to do it. First of all, you'll know you need updates to your apps when your App Store icon has a little badge on it with a number. Now, mine currently says 27, and I do not recommend that you wait until the number gets that big before you update apps. App updates generally fix bugs or add features to apps, so you want to keep up with this. I let mine build up a little bit because I knew I was going to make this video. So when it is time for you to update apps, and you can do this even if the number just says 1, tap on the App Store, and then in the bottom navigation, tap Updates. It's really easy to find that when you need updates because your little number badge is showing up there as well. Ooh, and mine just skyrocketed to 38. So I think when I hit the App Store and opened it, it went and checked in with the Apple server and found out I even need more updates. So you could just hit update about 20 million times by hitting each of these buttons over here in the right column. But I find that the easiest way to update my apps is to just hit the Update All in the top left of the screen. So I will tap Update All, and as you can see, all those buttons that formerly said Update are now turning into little spinny wheels. Now, because I have so many updates to do, it's probably going to take some time to get them all done, because you'll see as I scroll through that there's lots of updates that are happening. The good news is I'm not stopped from using my iPad while I'm waiting for apps to update. I can simply click the home button to go back out home, and what you will find is there are apps you won't be able to use. So if you look on this screen, you see, for example, my Erasmus app has the word waiting under it. That means it's in that queue to update. My Schoology app is the same way, and here's another app over here that I'm not even sure what it is. You can use other apps though. For example, my mail app isn't updating right now, so I could go check my mail even though other things on my iPad are updating. Now, if you're doing a lot of updates, your iPad might be a little slow for a bit because it is hitting the wireless. You could also choose to update the apps on your iPad when it's time for you to go eat lunch. Put it in a nice secure place and come back, and it'll be all done when you get back. So that's it. Once you start the updates, the iPad takes care of everything else for you. This concludes our tutorial on how to update the apps on an iPad. If you are viewing this video as part of iPad Basic Training, please proceed to the next section as instructed in the online materials.